Hello everyone, this is Manish Vastav. Welcome back to our YouTube channel cat.him. So this new year, this will be our first lecture. So happy new year guys, and let's get started. So today we will see this pattern tool in SolidWorks. So basically we use pattern for making more than one instances or of the same feature or bodies. We already know what is this feature and bodies is. So I have made this platform a rectangle and this cylinder on the top of it at the corner. Okay, I have used this merge rate option. So we all know that it will be treated as a single body. So this cylinder will be dependent on this rectangular platform. Okay, so I'm going for this linear pattern. So linear pattern means to make array shape structure, or you can say this rows and column type structure in x and y direction uh, of the face or the plane. So you can see here it is showing us direction 1 and here it is showing direction 2. So direction 1 and direction 2 will be x axis or y axis, whatever you need. And here it is asking us to select the feature and faces which we want to pattern. And then here also it is showing this body. So we will go for it, this option also. So let's just start from the direction 1. So direction 1 is something we can either select. We can either select these edges, okay, which is going in this direction. So what we need is we need to make this cylinder, let's just say 8 times on this platform. Okay, if we use a single extrude, then we have to create 8 circles and then we need to extrude it, right? So in this pattern option, we can only make this single cylinder and we can pattern it throughout this platform. So how we can do it is we can use this edge as a direction which is going here. We can use this bottom edge also which is going in this side or this side, or left side or right side. These edges also, because direction is something which we want to create this, which we constrain this cylinder to be make. Okay, so we can select these edges, this edges, or anyone which what we need is. Okay, now let me clear this one and this one. So we can see when we select this edge, you can see the direction of the pattern is in this direction. So let me just give you a preview. So if the direction arrow is in this direction, so when we select this feature and faces option, so click on this selection box and select this either from here, or you can also select it from here also. Okay, you can see the pattern is moving in this direction because our direction of pattern is this. What we can do, go for this direction one and reverse the direction. Now it is showing the pattern is making it in this direction. Okay, you can see it is showing instances. So instances 2 means to include this one also. So we have 2 instances. You can choose 3, 4, 5. This one is the spacing. So spacing will be 10, 20, whatever you need. Or instead of selecting any edge, we can also select the face which is normal to this direction. So this face we can use, or this face you can use. Okay, so we can select this face. The same will happen in this direction also. You can see here, right? So let's just make it this one and let's just make it 7. Now you can see the 7 instances are showing here, or it is exactly. We can also change the distance from here and instances from this pop-up box also. Now, when we go for this eighth one, we can see the preview. This is showing here. But when we complete the linear pattern, we know that this merge rate option will make this cylinder dependent on this platform, right? So what will happen is when we click OK, it will only show these 7 patterns instances. You can see here, right? Why it is showing is because the merge rate option, the individuality of this cylinder is dependent on this one. So these two will not be shown. Understood? So keep this in mind. And also we have selected this feature and faces option. So this is the feature which is dependent on this platform. Okay, let me change it to 7. And I'm going for this direction 2 option. So what will be direction 2? Let's just say we want to make in this direction. So this we can select these faces or these edges, this one, right? So let's just select the face. Now, for basic, let's just change this to 20, the spacing between the distance, and the instances is showing is 1. So this is the one, right? Now, when we click on second, you can see the instances now showing here is like this, right? Understood. I think you can see the changes here, and let's just make it like this, and let me complete the feature using OK. Right. So this is how we can use it. Is similar to this sketch feature, and we have seen linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern. So linear sketch pattern is this, and we have so many patterns structures. So we will go for one by one on our uh, other lectures and future lectures. Okay. Now again go for this linear pattern structure, and we can see here it is showing this instances to skip. So what will happen when we open this box? You can see this will open the pink dots on the center of each instances. So if we don't want this instance, we can just click on it and it will off, or visibility will be off of this instance. You can see here, you can see this one, this one, this one. And when we click OK, it will look like this. So it is easy, right? It is basically very good feature. You can use it more and why in our practice sessions. Now let me delete this whole together, and I'm going to make this as a non-merge data option. Means we have now two solid bodies. This one is different, this one is different. You can see from here two solid bodies, right? Now what will happen when we go for this linear pattern? So linear pattern direction one is this plane, instances 9. Okay, okay, okay. Now in this feature we can select this feature, right? We can select this feature and we can complete OK. So we have this one. Now what is happening is, it, see, body is there, right? Body is there, but it will take this as a feature. No, it is, now we have only, we don't merge it today, so the feature will non-dependent to it. So we have now 9 instances which is going away from the structure, right? We please note it. Please make sure that you have merged it. If you again merge it, now it will dependent on this rectangular platform. Now we have this body feature also. So let me again uncheck this one, and instead of making it a feature selection, I will go for the body. Now we have two bodies, this one and this one. It is same, but you have to understand the concept behind feature and body. Okay. In this case, we can use this as a pattern phase. We can also pattern this because we have bodies, and we can select this one. Direction one is this phase. You can see. Now I will make it look like this, or you can also select in bodies this one. So what is happening is, you can see we have created this type of structure. Please understood what is the nature of this merge result and feature option. Okay. So thank you guys. I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any query, please share with us. Please comment on the comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you very much. Keep supporting. Bye bye. Take care.